Craig Fully Edition, just here at a house that's recently been completed. Dan from G Building has done this one, bit of a bespoke build, really nice finishes, and VRV air conditioning system with bulkhead units. So we'll go through and have a bit of a look. And show you another VRV system that we've done recently with bulkhead units. This one here is quite an architectural home. The designer wanted concealed units. We could have done ducted in some of the areas, but in the main living area here we had to do concealed, but ended up doing concealed bulkhead units through the whole lot. It's just a really nice finish and look. We'll go through and have a look now. So this is a closer look of the indoor unit. That's all the pipes and stuff going to it. It's all painted black so you can't see it once the grill's up. There's the unit behind, and they've made the grills out of the cabinetry, which looks really neat. I'll get a video of it once it's all up as well, but there's two bulkhead units in there. And it's doing this big space through here, and then operated from the controller. Alright, so here we've got just Daikin controller, master bedroom, and we have a bulkhead unit up there that's been built into the robe. So that's the robe there. Just a normal narrow wall. There's the grill, supply and return, and on this side it's all hidden up above the bulkhead of the robe. So yeah, no lost space, and looks really nice. Some really nice features of the house are the wood panels that have been burnt, charcoaled. It's a natural finish and lasts a long time, good in the weather. Then you've got the raw concrete exposed, and then up on the roof we've got corrugated iron, so in the standard iron colour. I always enjoy coming back, having a look at a completed project, seeing the finished product. Thanks Dan from G Building, and like and subscribe for more good videos. Thanks.
When the sun's beating down and the sweat on your brow, fully air conditioned. When there's ice on your toes and there's frost on your nose, fully air conditioned. When you can't sleep at night cause it's hot as hell inside and you think you're gonna go insane. Or when you're having no fun cause your hands and toes are numb, you only need to remember one name. Keep the winter chills away, tell the summer